Today's house we love is a very unique, spacious and elegant historic building in the region of Abruzzo. If you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of new subscribers and members. We're not realtors, we just love finding and sharing homes for sale in Italy under €150,000. We apologise for the realtor's logo in this video, which unfortunately we can't remove. Anyway, back to the house. It's in the beautiful ancient village of Casoli, which has been described as a true gem, which has a rich historical and cultural heritage, as well as a wonderful natural setting at the foothills of the Magella Mountains. It's also on the doorstep of the Sorrente Velino Regional Park, and the Adriatic Sea is just half an hour away. It's also only an hour from Pescara Airport. There are actually 2 separate living spaces, or apartments, in this 300 square metre building, which could be combined or used separately for guests or renters. There are a total of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 kitchens and 2 living rooms, as well as several balconies. What attracted us most to this house is the juxtaposition between modern and historic in the interior decor. We absolutely love the staircase in the living room. If additional space is important to you, there's a large double garage and an old tavern, which can be used as a storeroom, included with the sale of the property. There is also an opportunity to purchase 2 additional historic properties on the ground floor for €30,000. One appears to be a former jewellery shop, and the other a similar shop of some type. This house is on the market for €120,000. If you have any questions or would like to move forward on it, please contact the realtor directly. Their original listing is below in the video notes. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to receive more homes like this every week, please check out our website, liveyourdreamitaly.com.